Mukbang channel hyuneeEats. It's your girl Hyunee, and today I'm gonna be eating black bean noodles and sweet and sour pork. So let's get started. Today I got 2 servings of jjajangmyeon, also known as black bean noodles, and tangsuyuk, also known as sweet and sour pork. I'm starving, so let's dig in. Yummy in my tummy. I also have pickled radish here. A lot of you guys have asked what this is. There's pickled radish, and it goes really well with any of noodle dishes, but especially with black bean noodles, it's the bomb. Sweet and sour pork. Dip it in this sauce. You know, when I was younger, or even now, older people always say before it rains, oh, it's gonna rain soon. I can feel it. They say their back hurts before it rains. I was like, what are you talking about? How do you know? Your back probably just hurts, you know? Believe it or not, it starts raining a day or two after my grandpa or my parents say that. So I'm like, wait, is that true? Your bones start hurting as you grow older before it rains? I always thought, is that true? Have you guys ever heard anyone say that to you? Let me tell you guys a story of when I was younger. Okay. I think this was when I was 7, right? I think a little typhoon was coming, so it was really windy and really raining a lot. But then I think my parents wanted me to go buy something at the market or something like that. So I wore a raincoat and rain boots. And then I stepped outside with this green Mickey Mouse umbrella that you press and then it unfolds, you know? And then to get to the small market, I had to go up these stairs, I think about maybe 60 flight of stairs. So I was going and it was super, super windy, right? I was I was walking up the steps, holding the pole, all wet. My socks are wet. Everything is wet. And then I hear boom, boom. And then I see lightning, right? And then I was like, ah! And then my top of the umbrella, there's this screw. It came off. And I swear on everything, a baby lightning hit my umbrella and I dropped it. Because I felt a little shock. And the screw came off after the lightning. And then I decided to just leave the umbrella and just run back home because I got so scared. I was like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna die. A baby lightning hit me. Which I'm not really sure if it was a baby lightning or not. But, I mean, right after I heard that thunder or lightning, the screw came off and I dropped my umbrella from the shock. I run back home. I ring the doorbell. My parents are like, who is it? I'm like, me, honey, I'm home. They're like, why are you back home so early? They open the door. 왜 벌써 왔어? Why are you home so early? I got hit by lightning. I got struck by lightning. They're like laughing like, like, what are you talking about, honey? You couldn't have gotten struck by lightning. I'm like, yes, I did. My umbrella broke. The screw came off. And they start laughing like, what are you talking about? 뭐래? None of them believe me. If you guys know, can you ever get struck by a baby lightning and then your umbrella screw comes off? Let me know, because I seriously, to this day, think that I was struck by a baby lightning. But who knows? So if you guys are experts on lightning, thunder and lightning, please let me know in the comments below if whatever happened to me could happen. Yeah, I've had pretty bad experience with rain, but I still love the sound of rain. How many of you guys like the sound of rain? Especially the sound of rain that hits your umbrella and your car window. I love it. Today I want to talk about a time thieves came into our house. Or so we thought. So this was around not long after we moved to America. We were living in an apartment for a little bit, a furnished apartment, because we just moved here and we didn't have any relatives or anything here. After living in an apartment for around 2 years, my dad decided to purchase a house. Back then, I had this fantasy about American houses. Like, you need to have a pool. Like, you know, it's cool to have a pool. Like, you know, in movies, American houses all have pools. Well, a long time ago. So, this townhouse, I really liked it. So, I told my dad, I really want to live here, because it has a pool and everything, and the town and the city seems, you know, safe. So we were like 90% ready to buy this house. But then, this time it was raining too. This was a rainy day, and then I looked from one of the bedroom windows, and then there was like a trailer home like by this townhouse. And then I was like, oh, shoot, this reminds me of like Eminem 8 Mile kind of thing, you know? So then we decided not to get this house. And I was super sad because this house, everything was good. Like even the pool, the rooms, like they renovated this house. Everything was good. And it was like my dream house that I wanted to live in as like a family. So then, this realtor was like, why don't you give the corner house a shot? Because we only looked at the picture and we were like, oh, we don't like it because of the electricity wire. But then we're like, okay, fine. I mean, it doesn't hurt to give it a shot. We went to this house, newly built. Everything was good. Well, the front looked okay. Newly built, everything was good. Except they didn't have a pool. I was like, no! I told my dad, oh, I love this house, but there's no pool. And then the realtor was like, to tell you the honest truth, it's really hard to take care of pools, so I would, consider this house because it's new. You like everything. You guys like everything that's here. The neighborhood is nice. And after careful thought and careful considerations and negotiations, we therefore sold. We'll get this house. We had all this furniture from Taiwan stored in a storage for 2 years because we had nowhere to put it. So we moved everything into the house. We couldn't move in until a certain date. We decided to just go take a look, like around the house. We go by the house. The lights are on. So we're like, why are the lights on? Like, is there a thief in the house? Is there a robber? Is there a thief? It was raining hard. We didn't know what to do because our dad's not here. We parked across the street. I was like telling my mom, turn the light off, turn the headlights off. Like, act like we're not here. Let's just see if anyone comes out. We waited 20 to 30 minutes, at least. And then we were like, you know what? Should we call the police? But then we first called the realtor guys. And then we were like, 아저씨, which means older guy. We think there's a thief in the house. Like, what do we do? Should we call the police? He's like, wait, no. This house isn't officially really under your name, so you can't really call the police. So let me come to the house right now. Just wait patiently. Just don't do anything. Wait in the car. We're thinking, dang, does someone have a gun? Like, I'm so scared. Like, we were so scared. So we wait. It's still raining hard. And the guy comes, right? He comes with a golf club. He's like, oh, what happened? Did anyone come out? Is everything okay? Are you guys okay? We're like, yeah, we're okay, but the lights are on. Look. He's like, wait in your cars. Don't do anything. Just wait. I'll be right back. He goes in, because he has the keys, of course. We wait a little bit. The light turns off. He comes out. He's like, no one's here. We're like, what? Then why are the lights on? Why? Okay, so the day before, we moved everything in and we made sure we turned the lights off, right? But this house has so many switches that where like you could turn the light on from here, turn it off from here, like from the garage to this side or this side. I thought I turned all the lights off, and then my mom thought she turned all the lights off, but then she switched it off or on or whatever, like we got it mixed up. So that's what happened. We thought that there was a thief, and we were making this, like, crazy drama in our heads. This movie in our heads. What would you guys have done if you thought someone was in your new home? And all your stuff was there? Were we being dramatic for thinking that there was a thief in the house? I mean, I know for sure that I was way more scared than I should have been because I've watched so many movies before. I thought it was kind of funny that he rolled up with a golf club. He was like, "What's up? What's happening? Are you guys okay?" Last piece. I'm done. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and also to become a hyuneeBee, and like this video if you guys liked it, and comment down below if you guys have any questions or comments, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Bye-bye!